Today we are going to make LED blinking using IR remote. Here we require one Arduino Uno board, one breadboard, one USB cable, 3 LEDs, one TSOP IR receiver sensor, one 330 ohm resistor, 3 220 ohm resistor and a remote. So this is a TSOP IR receiver sensor. Here it has 3 pins. This is the output pin. The middle pin is the VCC and the last pin is the ground pin. So place the TSOP on the breadboard. Now connect the middle pin to the positive line of the breadboard. The ground pin to the negative line of the breadboard. Now take a 330 ohm resistor, connect one terminal of the resistor to the output pin of the TSOP and connect the other terminal of the resistor through a jumper wire to pin 11 of the Arduino board. Now take the 3 LEDs and place it in the breadboard such a way that the cathode of the LEDs are connected to the negative line of the breadboard. Now take 3 220 ohm resistor, connect one terminal of the resistor to the anode of the LED and then other terminal of the resistor is connected to pin 5 of the Arduino. Similarly, connect the other LEDs to pin 6 and 7 of the Arduino board. Now take a wire, connect the negative line of the breadboard to the ground pin of the Arduino and the positive line of the breadboard to the 5V pin of the Arduino. The connection is completed.
Coding for remote control LED. First of all, open the Arduino IDE software. From Sketch, select Include Library and then click on Manage Libraries. It will take some time to open the library manager. So in the search bar, type IR remote. Then install the IR remote and IR remote control libraries and then click on close. Now type hash include, give bracket, type IR remote dot h, close the bracket. So here we have included the remote library. Then we will create the variable for the TSOP pin. So type int recv pin equal to assign pin 11 to this variable. Then we will create variables for the LED. Type LED1 equal to 5. Similarly, create variables for the other 2 LEDs and assign pin 6 and 7 to it. Now create another variable state and assign value 0, another variable I and assign value 0 to it. Now we will create an object for the TSOP pin. So type IR receive. IR receive is the object which is we have created for the TSOP pin. So we are giving the name of the variable and then another function decode result to decode the hexagonal outputs void setup, first type serial dot begin and set the baud rate as 9600. Then type serial dot begin and give inverted commas, and inside the inverted commas type enabling pin. Then type IR receive dot enable IR in. Then declare all the LEDs as output. So type pin mode LED 1 as output. Now in the void loop, give a if condition. If IR receive dot decode and results serial dot print result dot value comma hex. So whatever button we are going to press, the output will be shown in hexagonal form in the serial monitor. Now give another condition. Button is pressed. So here we are going to use three buttons: the power button and the volume plus and volume minus button of the remote control. So if results dot value equals to 0 into 1 FE 48B7. This is the hexagonal value of the power button. So when the power button is pressed, this value will be received. So when this value is received, and if the state is 0, then our first LED will turn on. So type digital write LED 1 high and change the state to 1. In the else condition, just turn off the LED and change the state to 0. Now give the if condition for the second button. Just copy the entire thing and paste it, and the second hexagonal value will be for the volume plus button. So the value is 10 into 1 FE 609 F 609 F. So this is the hexagonal value for the volume plus button. So when we press the volume plus, this hexagonal value will be received and LED 2 will glow, and the change will change to 1. Similarly, do the same thing and change the hexagonal value for volume minus button. Type 1FE A0 5F, and instead of LED 2 change it to LED 3, and then type IR receive dot resume. So this syntax is mainly for after we press the first button, then again it will only keep on receiving the first value, but in order to receive the second value we are using this syntax IR receive the resume. After that, give a delay of 100 milliseconds. Our code is done. Now we click on verify. Compiling, that means our code is correct. Now from tools select Arduino Uno board and the required COM port, and then click on upload. Your code will be uploaded to the Arduino board.
Output of the IR remote control LED. Here there are 3 LEDs. So when I will press the remote buttons, then the LED will glow. So I have done the coding for the power button, the volume positive and the volume negative. So when I press the power button, the first LED glows. Again if I press it, it turns off. Then I press the volume button, it turns on the LED and again turns off. Again lastly the volume minus button, it turns on the LED and again turn off. Thank you.